Do it. Dissect it.
Okay. Down here, not on me. Okay, here's the little leggies. They're open. And we're gonna rip it open now. If I stab it. Okay, now we're gonna rip it open. Ripping it open.
Hello, dead shrimpy. I'm your cousin Deep Fry.
Okay, now we're gonna. Dagger! Oh my God, you stupid! I don't know.
Liz, here to say something for the camera.
Oh my God.
Will you say something already?
Yum.
Heather, care to say something?
I can't breathe.
Ouch. I can't breathe.
Wait, back to the
and
shrimp.
my ribs hurt.
Back to the shrimp, Okay. I finally found the shrimp's ass. Go right in here. Oh shit. It's real slippery.
You want some rice, little Miss Shrimp?
Shit! Yeah, I'm good.
You don't want it.
Damn it, the
Why would
shrimp's
she
too
do that when
flimsy.
I'm recording too?
The shrimp's too flimsy. I can't get its ass.
Shrimp's too flimsy, you say?
Yeah, I tore it up too much. Mother's calling. Literally, Mother's coming. Mother!
Hi, Mommy.
I thought I was mommy.
She's my...
I can't make it.
She's my FF Mommy.
We're not gonna be back in time. Wait, give me a fresh specimen. I gotta...
Hold on.
Wait. I'm confused. I'm not gonna make it today. I'll be there.
I got that on camera.
I'll talk to Mr. Bob tomorrow.
That's going on YouTube.
Yeah. This is a YouTube moment.
Yeah, but he will be in. He already told me he'll be in. I gotta go. Bye.
Dude, you recorded my conversation on
Yeah, I did.
Anyways, okay. You stab.
Because I don't know how to pause it.
You stab the shrimp
ate a
right
shrimp
there where the crease is that hits under the shell. That way you'll have him focused. And then, wait, let me find his ass again. Wait, does this one have an ass? Yes, it does. There it is. And you stick it right in there and twist, so it'll go in. There we go. We're in.
Shrimp on a stick.
And there.
It's shrimp on a stick.
This shrimp is really more bendy than the other one. I think it can suck his own. Have I ever had a broken heart? Blah, blah, blah. You're beautiful the way you are. This one's for the girl. I'm done with this song. See my ass leap before your eyes. I don't know what to do.
I'm your cousin Deep Fried. Why are you hunting me?
Remember the cell phone? Get away from the cell phone.
This is my phone, you idiot.
It's still.
I've been stabbed. wait. We're gonna do the Xander. Sorry. No, wait. We're gonna do the Xander. As soon as I get the chicken off the stick. Okay. The chicken's on the stick. Just about. And everybody, this is me. Hi. I'm recording this whole random conversation and random shrimp skewer, shrimp kebab, dissecting the shrimp.
I have a thing with shooting things up people's asses.
And yeah,
We're now
in partaking in this conversation is myself, and then you got Squeakers, who's dissecting the shrimp.
And I just ripped this one's ass.
And Liz, who's just eating peacefully, and Heather, who is, pretty much being an ass.
Show them who the heck
Okay,
the persons are.
Heather,
Die.
Liz, who's eating quietly, Squeakers, who remains anonymous.
And then my camera.
And me, hi!
Okay, ready for the Xander fish story. And Buffy was like, dun dun dun, die fish face, die, die, die. And you didn't get that on camera. You were like facing me.
Sorry.
Oh, this one's going in perfectly. Oh, damn.
Okay.
This one likes it.
Alright.
He's done it before.
And then Buffy was like, dun 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 dun, die fish face, die, die.
Why are you all saucy? Ooh, saucy. Yes, I like them saucy.
Oh my god.
Don't be shy. Yeah, that's it. Take it. Oh, yeah. Yes. You interrupted us. My lover.
And I got that on camera.
Ouch, I gotta pee. I still want to see this on YouTube.
Hey, I love her.
I gotta take a piss. I need my scarf. That way you can show me on camera without actually showing me. Why are you looking at me?
On my leg.
Fuck you.
Please, I gotta pee.
Let the pork go out.
Was anything to say to the camera before you let her out?
Peeing on me. I told her I have to go.
And that?
No. And that was a day at the China Place buffet. Yeah. Day at the China buffet. Yay! Well, now I'm gonna go kill myself.
Bye!
Kill it.
How do I stop it? How do I stop
Is it
it?
still going?
How do I stop it? Yes! How do I stop it?
My hands are all fishy.
How do I stop it?
Give it here. Give it here. I'll stop it.
Oh my god, you guys, just give me the damn camera.
Why couldn't you give it to me? Good, you always